arms. Nobody is stretching their arms. Stretch your arms. Very nice. Stretch your arms. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Nahi, with the arms like Kanav is doing. Yes. Like Kanav is doing. Very good. Yes, Kanav. Like Kanav is doing, do like that. Stretch your arms and turn left. Stretch your arms and turn right. Stretch your arms and turn right. Good. Very good.
ले बेटा
Very good. Stretch your arms. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Fast. Fast, fast. Jaldi, jaldi. Quick. Turn fast. Turn left. Turn right. Switch on your cameras. Cameras should be on. Let me see who's not doing. Yashmit, stand up. Yashmit, stand up. Stretch your arms up. Turn left, turn right. Turn left, turn right. Quick. Rishika, do it quick, 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 quick. Yes.
जो मैथ का पता है जीके
Very
की जो
good.
मैथ का
Up करके. Up your hands. Like Kanav is doing. Kanav ठीक कर रहा है. Only Kanav is doing correctly. See Kanav. Let me show you everyone. Kanav. Let me show Kanav to everyone. See like he is doing. Kanav karo. Right. Do right. Beta stretch right side. Kanav stretch right side. Right side में. Very good. Now right left side. Left side. Yes, like this everyone. Keep stretching. Up, right, no, front, front, Kanav front. Yes, and back, back, back. Yes, like this. Arey, fell down. Okay, everyone do like him. Now everyone knows how to do. Just do like this quickly. We have 2 more minutes. Within 2 minutes, do like this.
My hands will pain.
What happened?
My hands will pain.
Hands are paining. Hands will not pain. They will stretch out. They will not pain.
My body is weak, so they will pain.
What happened? Your
My body is weak, so they will pain.
body is what?
Weak.
Okay, today now tomorrow is a reasoning test, right? And I know this is my arrangement period. It was a GK period, but I'll teach reasoning in this period. Okay? Okay. Let's wait for 1 more minute. Only 24 students are there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, one call is coming, so I am offing my camera.
Okay, beta. So let's do reasoning today. Okay, we'll do the reasoning today as tomorrow is the exam. So I'll give you different type of questions today in reasoning. Okay, और जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करेंगे और no disturbance, ma'am. Please see my बीच में कोई नहीं बोलने वाला है. Okay, nobody going to say, ma'am. Please see my.
Kilometer in the screen.
What?
And I can't see you in the screen.
Abhi wait for 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. I'm
Ma'am, I
switching
am
it
not
on.
able to pin. Ma'am, I am not able to pin you.
Wait a minute, beta. अभी 2 minutes wait करो. Okay, let others enter. Only 25 or 26 students are here in the class. That's it. What is the day today? Tuesday.
Second.
Okay, wait a second. Let me ask the students on WhatsApp group to join.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Let me call the students of other classes, matlab your class, on WhatsApp group because very less number of students are here. Other classes also there are less number of students. What are you typing
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
Rishika?
There are only till 30.
हम लोगों को फेयर कॉपी टेस्ट करना है.
What? What happened?
हमें टेस्ट
Stuti,
मैम
what
हमें
happened?
टेस्ट फेयर कॉपी भी करना है.
बेटा आप एक काम करना, स्क्रीनशॉट यू कैन डू क्लिक. आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना. ओके, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. Okay, I'll teach you different type of coding and decoding as well as a few puzzles also. Okay?
Ma'am, everyone's video is paused, so I am joining the class again.
Okay, beta. Okay, now let's start the reasoning today. Some of the first of all, I'm going to teach you different types of codings and decodings. Okay, all the codings and decodings today because tomorrow is your test now. So I'm going to start now only. Okay, see. Give me one word. Give me one word. Any word.
Bird, ma'am. Bird.
Ma'am is
Huh?
ma'am pigeon. Pigeon.
Pigeon.
मैम एप्पल.
Okay, I got one word. Pigeon. Pigeon is equals to 7. If pigeon is equals to 7, oh, give me one more word. Huh? Apple नहीं. Apple नहीं. Elephant.
Please see the chat. Please see the chat. The word.
Let me check. Wait. Time. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take that also.
मैम टाइगर.
Okay. Tell me, if pigeon is equals to 7, elephant equals to 9, and what will be tiger? You have 1 minute to answer. Very good, Samarth. You have 1 minute to answer. Only 1 minute. Samarth correct. Vamika wrong.
Ma'am, what you have write before is equals before 9.
Beta equals to the sign. Simple. Stuti correct. Akhya wrong. What, Rishika?
No.
What? No. Yatharth correct. Adya wrong. Huh? You don't know. I'll tell you. But try at least. See that what is decoding here. What is the decoding here?
Ma'am,
The Akhya wrong. Daksh wrong. Naisha correct. Akshda wrong.
ma'am 2.
No.
11.
Wrong. No.
11.
No. Please don't speak. I can see from the chat box. Jaskaran correct hai. Kanaf correct hai. Minha wrong. Akhya correct. Mokshit wrong.
Ma'am 4.
What is this, Gauri? I'll throw you out of the meeting right now. You're not supposed to speak the answer. Are you coming first time to the class? Yashmit correct. Daksh Pratap Singh now it is correct.
Ma'am, I am correct
Now-
or wrong, Akshay?
Ma'am, I have sent now
Please
again.
don't. I told you, beta, ये कोई नहीं पूछेगा, ma'am, my correct or wrong. If my answer is correct or wrong, nobody will ask me this thing. Okay, I told you. Okay, Samarth से मैं बहुत पूछती हूँ. Suprema, beta, switch on your mic, Suprema.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell me why the answer is what you have given.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you have given that answer? How did you decoded it?
Ma'am, because pigeon has 6 letters.
Yes.
You have add 1, so it is 7.
Okay.
Elephant is 8 letters, but you have write it 9.
Right.
Tiger has 5 letters,
Suprema,
and the answer
Suprema,
is 4.
बेटा सी राइटेड नहीं होता है, रिटन होता है. ओके, रिटन होता
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
हाँ, नाउ टेल मी अगेन.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, स्पीक अगेन. नो ऋषिका रॉन्ग.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, सुप्रीमा
So
स्पीक
the-
अगेन.
So the answer is
नहीं, टेल द रीजन
the
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
pigeon.
बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल द रीजन क्विकली.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, because if you see pigeon has 6
Huh.
letters,
Yes.
but the answer is 7.
Very good.
The elephant has 8 letters,
Yes.
but we have right 9
Very
letters.
good.
So the tiger has 5 letters.
Yes.
So we will write 6.
Very good. Very good. I hope everyone understood the Suprema's answer. See, pigeon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letters in pigeon, but it is written 7. That means 6 plus 1, 7. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters in elephant, but it is written 9 here. 8 letters hai, 8 plus 1, 9 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there, so it will be a 6 here. Understood? Understood? Shall we proceed further? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. Let me give you another question. Give me another word. Give me another word. Any word you can give me. Give it to me.
Feather.
Ice cream. Orange.
I cannot hear a single word. I cannot hear a single word. Huh?
Ice cream. Orange.
Feather.
Chalo,
Ma'am,
weather.
Bhumika.
Okay.
No,
Weather. Let us take. Okay. Okay, stop it.
Can you see?
Season.
Can you see the chat?
Ma'am Lauren. Ma'am Lauren.
Okay.
Ma'am Lauren.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay.
Ma'am.
How will you write? Yes. Now. Very good. Very good. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Very good. You have only 1 minute. 12:45 तक check करूंगी बस मैं. अभी तक सबने सही दिया. सुप्रीमा और अर्पित ने wrong दिया. सुप्रीमा wrong है. अर्पित wrong है. बाकी सब ठीक दे रहे हो. Everyone is correct. Please don't ask me, ma'am. My answer is correct. Nobody will ask me. बाकी सब correct दे रहे हो. Suprema still wrong है. Suprema still it is wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
Bhavika.
tell the question again.
Beta, everything is written on the board. Please see there. Everything is written on the board. ये कौन था? एक ने गलत दिया बीच में. कौन था वो? बाकी सब ने ठीक दिया. वेरी गुड. जसकरण ने रॉन्ग दिया है. बाकी सब ने ठीक दिया है. मिन्हा ने रॉन्ग दिया है. जसकरण एंड मिन्हा. कनिष्का रॉन्ग है. बाकी सब ठीक दे रहे हो. शौर्य रॉन्ग. शौर्य कैसे रॉन्ग हो सकता है? यस ऋषिका, I've seen already. It is correct. I've already seen it. Rest everybody's answer is correct except a few. Okay. Who gave me this answer first? Let me check. Who gave this answer to me first? And oh my god, so many students have given me the answers.
It's 12:45.
I know very well, beta. No need to tell me. Who is the teacher here? Who is teacher here? I am the teacher or you are the teacher? Tell me.
Ma'am, you are the teacher.
Ma'am, you are the
Akshita,
teacher.
Akshita, beta, please explain the answer because you have given Samarth के बाद आपने दिया Samarth तो रोज बताते हैं. Now you tell me.
Ma'am, because in weather has 8 letters.
Yes.
But you have right 5 letters.
Weather has
You
8
have
letters? No, beta. Weather do not have 8 letters.
7 letters.
हाँ. Okay. Akshita, wait a minute, beta. आपसे मैं पूछती रहती हूँ. Mokshit, you tell, beta. Third one is you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the weather there are 7 letters, but you write 5. This
Yes.
means you minus 2 from
Very
the
good. Yes.
in road there are 4 letters, but you write 2. This
Yes.
means you minus 2.
Very
So
good.
in national there
Yes.
are 8 letters,
Hmm.
but because we minus 2 letters from each, so we write the answer 6.
Very good. Excellent, Mokshat. You spoke very well today, beta. See what he said. I hope everyone understood, and most of you answered it correctly. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. 7 letters are there, but I have written 5. So 7 minus 2 is 5. Wrote there are 4 letters. 4 letters are there, but I subtracted 2. That means 2 letters. In national, it is 8. There are 8 letters. So in 8 letters, you will subtract 2. That you will get 6 here. 8 minus 2 is 6. The code is 6 here. Okay? Okay. Let me give you another question now. Okay.
Ma'am, can you tell what will come in reasoning? What?
बेटा these only puzzles आएंगे. Puzzles आपके अभी मैं कराती हूँ. एक दो मैं easy वाले puzzles आएंगे. Everyone will be able to do that. और missing numbers होते हैं ना, like
Coding, decoding, and symmetry.
symmetry is also coming. नहीं, symmetry.
No, ma'am.
Symmetry नहीं है बेटा. Puzzle and coding and decoding है.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do the final.
Yes, it is coming in finals. It might be coming in finals. Now it is not coming.
Ma'am, I am not getting coding.
You are not getting what, बेटा? Coding and decoding ही तो करा रही हो बेटा ये. और क्या करा रही हो? और हमने कितने टाइम पहले भी, हम हमेशा से तो coding decoding करते आ रहे हैं. इतने टाइम हो गया हम लोग को करते हुए. Who is saying हमने नहीं करी decoding decoding? My God, who is saying हमने coding decoding नहीं करी?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Ma'am, Bhavya.
बेटा ये coding decoding ही तो कर रहे हैं इतने टाइम से.
Means I am saying
You will also
that
do
I have not getted the coding.
Ma'am, you will also do in 0 period.
Yes बेटा, I have done. I will do it. But पहले तो हमने करी है कितनी बार, कितनी प्रैक्टिस की है हमने.
Yes, ma'am, we have
नेपाल
done
वाला
well.
क्वेश्चन दिया था मैंने आपको, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस दिए. नेपाल वाला क्वेश्चन, इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस कराए. कोडिंग, डोंट से कोडिंग डिकोडिंग नहीं की हमने. और आज भी हम वही कर रहे हैं. टुडे आल्सो वी आर डूइंग द सेम थिंग. अभी जो बताया मैंने वो भी करा है.
Ma'am, please do 1 or 2 puzzles also.
बेटा it the very easy puzzles. अभी I will show you one or two examples. बहुत easy puzzles होंगी. You will be able to do it. Okay. In reasoning, okay, let me give you one more question. Let me take one question. If road is 18, 1, how will you write back? Tell me this one quickly. If road is 181514, how will you write back? The groups, as I'm in a reasoning question, then I've asked one of the groups. Okay, Rishika, you are talking about the reasoning questions. The previous class we have done. Like I asked you. Wait for a minute, everyone. I'll check your chats after 1 minute. Let me take the attendance. If you don't know, then be quiet. Virat, correct. Very good, Virat. Yuvraj Gupta, correct. Upsa wrong. Aradhya, correct. Aradhya, last वाले letter का numbering गलत कर दिए. Mokshit, wrong, beta. I will send the question. Okay, beta. It's okay, Rishika. Yashmit, wrong. Mokshit, wrong. परनीत, आपने थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक कर दी है बेटा बीच में. आद्या, करेक्ट. गौरी, करेक्ट. अथर्व सिंह, करेक्ट. यथार्थ, करेक्ट. Radhya, correct now. Yes. Okay. Those who are not able to understand this question, let me tell you what is this question. Okay, let me check the question. Rishika, I've given your answer.
Ma'am, sorry for bringing it because my mobile is hanging.
Okay, beta. Now see here, what is the coding? Rishika, now look here. Okay, which coding is used here?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Okay, see
ma'am, I
here.
have understand.
Okay, now look here. How we have decoded it. इसको decoded कैसे किया? Decode का मतलब होता है break कैसे किया है. If road is written as ROAD 18, 15, 14, how will you write back? See, if road is written in a certain code, road is written as 181514. How will you write back? See here. See, if you check, if देखो यहाँ पे 4 letters हैं, यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits हैं, so you can check A number is 1, B A B C D, you know, A B2 C3 D4 E5 F6 G7 H8 I9. Like this, if you will do, you will see that R comes at 18th place. R comes on the 18th place. R की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 18. और जब आप ABCD या DHIJ पूरा लिखोगे ना, और you can do it on fingers also, ABCDEFGHIJKL. Okay, so similarly you have to find out the value of back. 18. अच्छा, O की क्या होती है? O की 15 होता है, तो 15. A का क्या होता है? 1 होता है, और D का क्या होता है? 4. A का 1 and D का 4. Okay, so you have to write down for back. J का 10, K का 11. Okay, so B के लिए we will write 2, B के लिए we will write 2, A के लिए we will write 1, C के लिए we will write 3, और K के लिए we will write 11. So this is the correct answer, 2 1 3 1 1. I hope everyone understood. Any doubt to anyone? Any doubt to anyone? No.
Ma'am, can you give one more question like this?
Yes, I'm giving.
Ma'am, yes.
Give me. Just give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Given one puzzle.
Now let me know this one. Give me any word. Tell me any word. Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
sun
now.
tiger.
Ma'am, now.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Now?
now.
Now.
Leopard. Ma'am, apple.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, sitting. Ma'am, sitting. Ma'am, light. Ma'am, opening. Ma'am,
Okay, let it be fight. FIGHT fight. 6 9 7 G 8 8.
roast A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R
Please switch off your mic.
F G H I A R.
Very good, very good. All of you are correct. Very nice. This is so surprising. Everyone is typing the correct answer. Very nice. Nobody is wrong. I'm surprised. Very good. कल भी ऐसे ही perform करना है आपको. Okay. Tomorrow also you have to perform in the same way, like you today you are doing. Very good.
Ma'am, who is the first?
Everyone is
Okay, ma'am.
first, beta. All of you given the answer at the same time, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. At the same time, everyone has given the answer. Very good. वेरी गुड. बस आपसे ना थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो रहा है वो लेटर्स लिखने में. लेटर्स के नंबर्स चेंज कर दे रहे हो. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. टी के साथ क्या आता है? 20. T20 क्रिकेट होता है. T20 क्रिकेट होता है.
Yes, ma'am.
T20 सुना है? T20 तो T कम्स एट 20 पोजीशन. अब इसके पहले क्या आता है? S तो 19 होगा. R कितने पे आता है? 18. Like this you also can do. You can remember the middle words where, like this. O15 learn कर लो. You can learn the middle words. उसके आगे पीछे देख लिया करो. Okay, very good. All of you are correct. F के लिए 6, I के लिए 9, G के लिए 7, H के लिए 8 and T के लिए 20. So how will you write row? Row के लिए R के लिए there is, I told you, 18. O के लिए it is 15, A के लिए 1 and again 15. Sorry, 18. I hope everyone gets it. Okay, now let me go.
Why it will come 18? It will come 14.
क्यों?
Ma'am, it will come 16.
No,
No, ma'am.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. This is correct.
Ma'am, 18, 16, 1, 1, 8.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
18.
Ma'am, why is there a double one?
बेटा 15. Okay. बेटा 15 में R. बेटा देखो ये R का है, ये O का है, ये A का है और ये फिर से R का है. That's why. Understood? अच्छा बेटा see, listen one thing. जैसे मैं एक क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ, आपके क्वेश्चन ऐसे नहीं दूंगी मैं आपको एक स्टेटमेंट में लिख कर दूंगी. Listen to me. I will not give you the question like fight is this and this is this. I'll give you in a type of a statement. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will take one rough paper along with you. रफ पेपर लेकर बैठोगे और उसमें ऐसे करके लिखोगे. जैसे फाइट लिखा है तो फाइट के नीचे you will write down the code of it. फाइट के नीचे उसका कोड लिख लिया करो. 7820. Like this you write down the code. Okay? Now let us start.
Give me one. Ma'am, please give one or two puzzles also.
बेटा सब दे रही हूँ. I know what to do and what not to do. है ना? Again I'm asking you the same thing. Who is the teacher here? I am the teacher or you are the teacher? Okay. Wait a second. I'm giving you one question.
Ma'am, can I write this ABCD and then numbers?
हाँ
No, there is
हाँ बेटा you can do. Wait a minute. I'm giving you another type of question. Wait a second. Okay. Okay. In a certain code, by 9 pi. By 9 pi means some good. In a certain code, by 9 pi means, okay, only 10 minutes are left. अब मैं जल्दी explain कर दूंगी, ठीक है? I'll not ask you, just explain it quickly. Okay, by 9 pi. After by 9 pi, nobody will speak in between now. 9 back lick. 9 back lick. Back lick means some real stories. Some real stories. Switch off your mic. What is this, beta? Yo, everyone is speaking from the back. Everyone is just talking from the back, and you're switching on your mics. Pilot means many good stories. Many good stories. Okay, what is the code for real? Real का code क्या होगा? What is the code for real? You can take
Ma'am,
a
I sent.
screenshot of it. Very good. No, 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 no. Just give me a minute. ओके, एक रियल का कोड बताओ और अभी हम टेलिंग, और एक मैनी का कोड बताओ. मैनी का कोड बताना. वेरी रॉन्ग दिस सॉरी. वेरी गुड दोस हु आर टेलिंग. मैनी का रॉन्ग बता रहे हो बेटा, मैनी का रॉन्ग बता रहे हैं आप सब. बेटा दे आर जम्बल्ड अप. डोंट थिंक कि सम का बाय है, नाई गुड का है, जोक्स का पाए है. दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट फॉर्म. दे आर जम्बल्ड अप मतलब किसी का कुछ भी हो सकता है. सम का ये भी हो सकता है, सम का ये भी हो सकता है, सम का ये भी हो सकता है. बेटा टाइम इज लेस सो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट क्विकली हाउ टू decode it. See everyone how to decode it. Instead of writing down the answer, see here. Let me to show you how to do this type of question. These are very very important questions. That's why I'm going to teach you this one. See here, some good jokes. Already I've taught you this type of questions. पहले भी कराया ना ऐसे question?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? फिर भी I'm telling you. See, some of you are doing it correctly also. कुछ लोग ठीक कर रहे हैं. देखो बेटा, इसमें सम हमें किसका निकालना है? पहले रियल का निकालना है. रियल, वेयर इज रियल? हियर इज रियल. तो रियल के लिए हमें सम हटाना है और स्टोरीज हटाना है. सम कहाँ कहाँ है? फर्स्ट में और सेकंड में. ये रहा सम. सम को मैंने सर्कल किया और सम को मैंने सर्कल किया. अब इन दोनों में कॉमन क्या दिख रहा है आपको?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
What is common here? What is common?
Ma'am, 9.
Nine. Nine, yes, nine. NIE. तो सम का तो हो गया बेटा 9. सम का कोड हो गया 9. ओके, अब क्या हटाना है यहाँ से? स्टोरीज. तो स्टोरीज इन दोनों में है. तो इन दोनों में चेक करो व्हाट इज कॉमन हियर. सो स्टोरीज के लिए आई एम मेकिंग अ स्क्वायर बॉक्स. स्टोरीज, stories. So I'll make a square box here. What is common here? What is common in these two?
Ma'am, 9.
Ma'am, like.
Like नहीं
Ma'am,
बेटा.
like.
लिक है, लिक. LIK लिक. तो बेटा स्टोरीज का तो हो गया लिक. स्टोरीज हो गया LIK लिक. Now what is left here? Bat. तो रियल का क्या होगा? Bat. रियल का it will be bat. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि मिडिल वाला मिडिल का होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. किसी का कुछ भी हो सकता है. ओके, दिस इज वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आई गिवन टू यू. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट पूछा मैंने मैनी का आपसे. तो मैनी कहाँ रहा? ये रहा मैनी. मैनी के आगे आपको क्या हटाना है? गुड हटाना है. गुड हटाना है. गुड इज दिस वन. आई विल मेक जस्ट अ क्लाउड ओवर हियर एंड गुड इज हियर आल्सो. सो आई विल मेक अ क्लाउड. फर्स्ट और थर्ड वाले में क्या कॉमन है? फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड वाले में क्या कॉमन है? Pi is common, so I'll make a cloud over pi. I make a cloud over pi. What is left here? Many के लिए क्या बचा है? What is left for many? A double underline. Many के लिए क्या बचा है? Told. Only one student told me this correctly.
Ma'am,
Understood?
can you please slide? I'm going to screenshot.
Yes, beta. Take it, take it. Take the screenshot if you want.
Ma'am, I have added this to my reasoning list.
You have added something very good. Okay, you can send me afterwards. Some is me. Okay. This we have done last time also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
जो आप लोग खुद ही फॉर्म करने लगे थे sentences. I can form a sentence also. Okay, now I'm going to rub it now. Okay, now the last one more question. Let's do it quickly because tomorrow is the exam. Puzzles, they will be very easy puzzles. Let me give you one question related to that. Okay, shall I speak the question for that? मैं बोल दूं question?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, let me speak the question. If pen is called wood, I am doing it in short. Pen is called wood. Pen is called wood. Pen is called wood, comma. Wood is called pen. Rishika, I will see. Wait a minute. Wood is called fan. Fan is called chair. Pen is chair. Chair is called grass. Chair is grass. Then, on which of the following does a person sit? Where does a person sit? Then where does the person sit? Then where does the person sit? कहाँ बैठते हैं? Very good. Samarth, Mina, very good. Excellent. Coding and decoding. Okay, confirmed so far.
Ma'am.
Acha, I got the Rishika. Which one you are saying? Okay.
Excuse me,
These
ma'am.
codes could be changed, okay? Interchange भी हो सकता है, Rishika. These coding and decoding words can be changed. Don't say, Yatharth, this is wrong. Naisha, beta, no, beta.
I know, but
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ, beta.
from so far.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the video is paused and ma'am, the board is also not clear.
Beta,
So,
your
ma'am,
network is
please,
not
ma'am,
proper.
you can.
Your network is
ma'am.
not proper. Your network is not proper. जिसको भी मेरी video नहीं आ रही है, your network is not good. Kindly join it again. Beta, those who are
Excuse- no,
saying
ma'am.
this. Arab Gupta, please switch off your mic, and Kanav, you also switch off your mic. I have only 1 minute left. Okay. So beta, see here. Pen is called wood, wood is called fan is chair, and chair is grass. So no need to see the whole sentence. I asked, where does a person sit? So where does a person sit? Normally person sits on a chair. Normally person sits on a chair. Up chair is called what here? Chair is called grass here. Chair is called grass here. So the answer is grass. Beta, somebody is thinking fan is chair. फैन इज चेयर नहीं देखते बेटा हम वी सी चेयर को क्या बोलते हैं चेयर इज ग्रास मैम प्लीज रीड द फर्स्ट हेडिंग माय रीजनिंग लिस्ट ऑन द ग्रास ओके आई रेड इट आई ऑलरेडी रेड इट यस बट सम पीपल विल से मैम वी सिट ऑन ग्रास आल्सो यू सिट ऑन ग्रास
Ma'am, so grass is the answer.
yes grass is the answer then the answer will be where does a person sit you will write grass if you will write chair it will be wrong because chair is known as grass many of you confused आप chair को fan बना दे रहे हो fan chair है बेटा chair fan नहीं है chair जो है वो grass है okay I have seen many of you writing fan why are you writing fan because you think कि fan is chair okay beta the class is over all the best for your tomorrow's exam ठीक है
Okay, ma'am.
and